Okay, guys. So today we are just proving this dx divided by x basically x squared minus a squared to power n, and we do the integral, and hopefully we get the reduction formula. Oh, so this is the reduction formula. Before I start, be sure to subscribe to my video. I'm very happy to see you guys. Okay, so we start from define this in to be 1 over x squared minus a squared to power n and dx. And then we use integration by parts. So it's u dv equals to uv minus v du. So the dv is dx, so v is x, right? X here. Minus, right? Minus the derivative of this x squared minus a squared to the power n. And we get this. Okay, so just pull all these two. So get 2n x squared divided x squared minus a squared n plus 1 dx. Okay, and this one becomes this one plus this one plus this one. So basically, I just add 1 minus a squared and plus another a squared. Okay, and this is in equals to x divided by x squared minus a squared power n 2n. You see these two cancel, so 2n in plus 2n a squared in plus 1. Okay, so we change this 2n to the left hand side, so in 1 minus 2n becomes this and this. And then we divided this 1 over 2n to the denominator. Okay, so we get this. Finally, we can just easily change this n to a minus 1. So in minus 1 equals to x divided by x squared minus a squared to power minus 1, and 3 minus 2n, right? Because we just changed n to n minus 1, so this becomes a minus 1. And 1 over 2n becomes 1 minus 2n becomes 3 minus 2n. Okay, and this n to n minus 1, and this becomes this. And then we just shuffle them. Right, we shuffle in, and since we want to return write in as in terms of in minus 1, so we shuffle in, and finally we get this one. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it. And all the details are shown in the picture, and I will see you guys in the next videos.